Red clover, Trifolium pratense, is a wild plant commonly used in herbal medicine for various health benefits. Here are some of its potential benefits. 1. Menopausal symptom relief. Red clover contains isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen that may help alleviate symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and night sweats. These compounds mimic estrogen and can help balance hormone levels. 2. Bone health. Some studies suggest that the isoflavones in red clover may improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. 3. Cardiovascular health. Red clover is thought to support heart health by improving circulation, reducing arterial stiffness, and lowering blood pressure. Its isoflavones may also help raise HDL good cholesterol levels. 4. Skin health. Red clover has been used topically for skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and rashes due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It is believed to promote wound healing and reduce skin irritation. 5. Respiratory health. Traditionally, red clover has been used to relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and whooping cough. It may act as an expectorant to clear mucus from the airways. 6. Cancer prevention. Due to its high isoflavone content, some studies suggest that red clover may have a role in cancer prevention, particularly breast and prostate cancer, though more research is needed in this area. 7. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Red clover contains antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to chronic diseases such as arthritis. 8. Lymphatic health. Red clover is believed to stimulate the lymphatic system, which may help detoxify the body by promoting lymph drainage and improving immune function. While red clover has a range of potential benefits, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before using it.